Hi, we just opened up two GoPro 12 Blacks. They have some features that we're testing out right now, but in order to get them up to snuff, in order to make them real production cameras, we need to add the Media Mod. Now, GoPro, I consider the only systems camera in the action camera area, because it has features like the Media Mod, and I'm going to show you another one in another video, that allow you to do things besides just put them on your bicycle handlebars and head downhill. What I need for my camera is two things. The traditional one I'm working on, is I put these in airplanes. And in an airplane, I'm going to fly for 4 hours. And I need to have power in this camera for 4 hours. It won't do that unless I plug an outside battery in. Second, I need to have external sound because the plane's making a lot of noise. And at least one of the cameras is going to be plugged into the radio for talk to ATC, traffic around me, passengers, etc. So I need to have some way of getting audio in. I need to have some way of getting battery power in. The Media Mod provides both. So let's open it up, and then we're going to install it on this brand new GoPro 12 Black. Okay, so let's figure out how to open it here. As you know, in my unopening, sometimes figuring out where to start opening is the toughest part. I'm going to assume I start at the top here. Okay, and that's pretty typical for me. The box is ripped up, but I probably don't need it. Okay, so there we go. I got everything out. Okay, we're going to toss that box. Okay, so I have a Media Mod user's guide. Now, I happen to think this is cool. A lot of the things that I've been acquiring lately require me to go online to download the stuff or read it. This is really easy. It's here. And some expensive stuff requires me to go and download it. I mean, the Atom Mini Pro requires me to go online. So I'm delighted to have this. And then we've got the warranty. Now, what I don't have is more GoPro decals. I don't understand why. Okay, now this is kind of funny. Okay, so, yeah. So pulling all this stuff out, this is the basic Media Mod. And then they've given me a mounting screw. And they've given me one of their mounts, which, if you've seen any of my videos, you know I really don't like their mounts. There's a reason for it. Yeah. Okay, so I think I got all the stuff out of the box. The box can now be carefully recycled into whatever. Okay, so here's the case. What we do is we're going to open it on this side, and you can see right there is a USB 2 plug. And when I go to my camera, I open up this side with the battery, and I'm now going to remove the door. Now put this in a safe place. I have several Media Mods and I have lots of doors, because if you want to take this camera underwater, this is water repellent, water whatever. This is waterproof down to 33 feet or whatever it is for your model. So make sure you don't lose the door. Okay, so then inside of this connection, you'll see the Enduro battery, and we know that because it's white. And then off to this side, you'll see the SD, micro SD, or whatever we're calling it this week, card. And then down here is a USB-C plug. So we're going to take the USB-C plug and line it up where the USB-C is on here. Okay? And we're going to push it back straight in like so. Okay? Pretty safe, sane, and simple. And then we snap it closed. Oh, and then I can also put on, there we go, it snaps in place. So I've got a wind block because this is a better microphone than comes standard. So you can, this is like it's a step up. Now then you have two different places to mount things. You could like mount your light. You could mount an additional microphone. You can mount all kinds of stuff. Whatever you want to. You can mount here and you can mount here. Or you can mount this either way. Now, at the bottom is the, you pull it up. And here is the, we'll put one of these here. On this side, there's an indentation so that you can screw your connection into it. It gets a little tight. Yeah. But there it is. Let's pull it back so you can see it. So this is a GoPro 12 Black with the Media Mod. Now, what we've seen so far of the Media Mod is it's got two mounts, okay? It has a better boom mic, and it has these three little doors. The door to the right is a microphone jack. Camera by itself doesn't have a microphone jack. It has a USB-C cord. The center one is a USB-C cord. And the right one is a micro HDMI. Now, there's a couple things about this camera that really excite me beyond just putting it in the airplane. Because you can use this as a B-roll camera. Yeah. I'll be showing in another video, because right here in the center, there is a tripod screw mount. I can take my tripod mount and screw it right in there, which means I don't have all this other fluff and it's not sitting way up here. It's right down here on the tripod. And it's firm like your really good cameras are. Okay? So I can mount this on a tripod. Number two is this HDMI means that I can run this into an Atom Mini Pro so that I can make this one of my 4 cameras, or put a clicker beyond it to make it one of my 6 cameras, whatever I'm going to do, and have this go into the entire process of setting up a large multi-camera setup right here. And I can hook a USB in, and it doesn't necessarily have to be a USB battery. If I'm doing this in a studio, that can be a cord to a USB charger that just runs all the time. Or in the airplane, it's going to be hooked into a battery. So I think this is one of the coolest things for your GoPro. When you add the addition of the new, for 12 Black, tripod mount, this really adds a ton of value. Now, we're going to be setting up shortly a setup for doing plane spotting with multiple cams, and I'm going to make this one of them. So be sure to subscribe so that you'll get notification when that one is coming to you. Thanks. Have any questions? Put them in the comments. Have a great day.